Welcome to Cave Hill. This property is nestled right off of Harrodsburg Road, but you would never guess, because this property offers seclusion and privacy with all the convenience Lexington has to offer. But don't take it from me, come on in and take a look around. This home has such a great layout. Off the foyer, you've got formal dining, a family room, a large living room attached to the beautiful kitchen, and also an eat-in breakfast nook. First floor laundry and a fantastic sunroom. Upstairs, you've got a master suite, 3 additional bedrooms, and a full bath. And the basement is perfect for entertaining or for your family. It's a really large size living play space, 2 additional rooms, a full bathroom, and a wet bar. This property has everything that you're searching for.